if you're looking for a dashcam that is 4K resolution and it has a touchscreen and the rear camera is also 4K resolution, in today's video we're gonna test this Red Tiger F77 and we're gonna see how good it is. Coming up right now. And this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Red Tiger F77. So this one is a 4K for the front and 4K for the rear dashcam. Okay, so it comes with the manual, some sticks, clear decals to put it on the windshield, USB-C to USB-A cable. This is the front camera. It has a screen, and I think this one is a touch screen. We will test that in a little bit. So here's the slot for the micro SD card, power button, four buttons for the menu on the bottom of the camera, the front camera, and the base. And then on the top, this one, the one on the left is for the power, and the one on the right side is for the rear camera. USB-C connection, both of them. So the camera size is, I like it, but it's not too big, what I like about this one. And for the rear camera, amazing. This one is a 4K camera for the rear. So this is the first time I see this. Usually they are only like 1080p or 2K resolution. So this one is a 4K. The power connection is on the side, USB-C connection, the base, and the camera. The extension for the rear camera, it looks pretty long, that's good. The power connection, USB-C to cigarette lighter connection, some clips to hide the cables, a trim tool, extra double-sided tape for each camera, and one extra base for the front camera. That's good. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. And if you want to have your dashcam on all the time, you need to get a hardwiring kit. And this is a hardwiring kit. This one comes with the USB-C plug for your camera. Make sure that it's the same connection. The wires, one for the ground, the black one for the ground, the red one is for an accessory, and the yellow to another accessory too. So 2 powers and 1 ground. And also it comes with the fuse adapters for many different connections. It has a lot of fuses adapters, double-sided tape. You can put it on the back and stick it maybe on the frame of the car, on the side. It comes with the manual and a trim tool. And with this, you can keep your camera on all the time. Okay, one thing very important that I want to add. I have been using this hardwiring kit for a long time, but every time that I turn on the car and then turn on the engine, it shows this one, ACC off, shutdown. Okay, and then after that I have to turn it on again on the red button on the side. Okay, the reason is doing that is because the hardwiring kit, that one is touching the windshield because the space is very tight, it's very small. So the vibration of the car when I turn on the engine, it makes the power to go off. So when I turn it on, the vibration turns off the camera and the camera shut down. So make sure if you get a hardwiring kit or use the original, use a cable that is shaped like a L shape, so you won't touch the windshield and you will prevent this problem. Okay, the problem is because the cable is touching the windshield and the vibration turns off the camera. So you have this problem. This is why the camera is shutting down. Make sure the cable, it doesn't touch the windshield. Okay, now let's see how the camera works. Everything is installed. Okay, and this one already comes with 128 memory card inside of the camera. Okay, and if you want to expand it to add more, you can add on the slot for the memory card, but this already with 128 gigabytes integrated on the dashcam. Okay, so this one is a touchscreen, as you can see. Amazing. And all the information is in the front. Here the volume, the audio, GPS, and everything is, you can see it here. And it has an icon that means that the front camera and rear camera is recording. So this is the front camera and this is the rear camera. For rectangles icon, just click on that one. It says videotape. You click on that one and it comes back to the main screen. Okay, and the second one is for the playback. You can see the front camera video, the locked video for the front camera, and the front camera photos. So it has a little bit of a delay. So when you click over there, you can see the video. You can select the video you want to see. You can go back here. Okay, so all the videos are there, and you can view the video. If you're in an accident, you can view it here. And also, we're gonna see how to download the videos with the app. We will do that after this. Okay, so the first one is to go back to the main view. This one is to see the videos, the playback, and this one is the settings. So let's start with the settings. Okay, the first one is the resolution. So this one is super amazing. 4K 30 frames per second for the front camera and 4K 30 frames per second for the rear camera. Amazing. This one, it has a 4K resolution for the rear camera. This is the first camera I see that it has a 4K for the rear. Most of the cameras, they have 4K for the front, but not for the rear camera. But this one does. So let's put OK. The second one is for the audio, to turn it on and off. And I'm gonna leave it on. Loop recording, you can make the video 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, but it's gonna keep recording and deleting the old videos after it gets full. Okay, so I wanna leave it always in 1 minute because it's easier to download. Okay, the next one is the G sensor. You can put it low, medium, and high. I always leave it in low because sometimes you're on a bump stop and it will lock the video. So put it in low is better. You don't want to be locking the video every time you're on a bump stop. The next one, frequent fatigue reminder, every hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. I'm gonna leave it off. The Wi-Fi, you can turn on the Wi-Fi here, but I don't want to turn it on right now. The tone in here, you can turn it on and off. The click when you hit the button. Screensaver, I have it off, but you can put it every 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 2 minutes. To leave the screen on, and after 10 seconds, it will turn off, or 2 minutes. 10, 30, or 2 minutes. I'm gonna leave it off for now. The voice control, you can turn it on and off, and these are the voice commands. You can say anything like this for the voice command. Okay, so let's leave it on for now. Mirror the screen is on, just to view it. Let's go down. Rear camera flip is off. Parking mode. For the parking mode, you will need a hardwiring kit. Okay, for now I have one, and you can turn it on. You can make it to record 24 hours, but for now I'm gonna leave it off. Okay, the GPS information is right there. Date stamp is on. The speed stamp is on. GPS stamp is on too. You can turn it off if you want. Okay, the speed unit, miles per hour or kilometers per hour. So here is miles. The language is English, but yeah, they have a lot of different language here. The clock settings, you can change it there. The time style, 12 hours or 24 hours. I'm gonna leave it on 12. Let's go down more. Time zone. So in here, I think it's -6. So that's the one for here. DST, day saving. I think it's the day saving time. So it is on. The flicker, 50 Hz or 60 Hz. I'm gonna leave it in 60 Hz. Format reminder, you wanna format the SD card every 15 days or 25 days. But for now, I'm gonna leave it off. And this one is to format it. I don't wanna do it right now, but you can format the SD card, the integrated or the exterior. Okay. Format speed is for the external SD card. The reset setup, everything, if you want to make everything to the default setting, but I don't want to do it right now. With this one, you can scan that one and download the app that we're going to see in a little bit. The product information about this one, the website, the model, and everything right there. Help center, if you have any problem, you can scan this one and contact them. And that's all for the settings and the screen and the touch screen. The turn on and off button is right here on the side, the red button, and also it has buttons on the bottom, but this one is a touch screen. Okay, and now the next thing, let's download the app and let's see how to download the videos and see the settings, how to change the settings on the app. Coming up right now. Okay, we're ready. Now we're gonna test the app. You can click here and there's a QR code right there, so you can download the app. And this is the app, Red Tiger. So let's open the app. I have it already here downloaded. Click on the app, terms and conditions, agree, add a camera. Okay, for that we have to turn on the Wi-Fi, I think. Let's see. Allow, while using app. Yes, it's connecting. Networks, okay, allow. It's connected. Everything is connected. Okay, we have to add the camera. Okay, now we have to open the Wi-Fi, but for that we have to turn it on in here. So in here, the Wi-Fi is right there, so we have to turn it on. Let's turn it on in the 5G. Wi-Fi is turning on, and the password is right there. Okay, so the name is Red Tiger F77. So now let's go to the Wi-Fi. Right here, Red Tiger. So it's right here, Red Tiger. Let's go to that one, the password, join. All right, so now, all right, the camera is right there. So this is how it looks. You can turn it on, turn it like this, and you have better view. The front camera and the rear camera. So right here on the bottom, it has the memory. You can the built-in memory or the external memory card, but I don't have the external right now. And then this one, you can put pause on the video or continue recording. The next icon is to take a screenshot. Cool. Okay, right here on the top you can switch the camera. That's cool. To the side. Oh, flip the camera. Okay, that's good. Or you can switch from the front to the rear, or vice versa, or just the front, the rear, again, like that. I think I like it like that. Okay, and this one you can mute the audio or turn on the audio. Cool. And here you can flip it like this, and this on this icon right here on the corner. Okay, it has the GPS. It also has the speed, but right now I'm not using the car, so it's in 0 right now. So right here on the corner are the settings. So these are all the settings, but we already saw all this on the menu. I don't want to make the video too long, but everything is here. Okay, to download the video is here. So I've already figured it out. You can click here and you can select which memory card you want to use, the external memory card or the built-in storage. So click in there. It's gonna take a little bit of time to load, and right there, all the videos right here. So you can click on any of the videos, and on the bottom it says download. You can download the video, and it's gonna download right there. It's downloading. So, but I don't wanna download it right now. Okay, so you can download it like that by clicking on the video, and the icon is right here. Or if you want to delete the video, you can delete the video there, or take a screenshot of the video too. Okay, so that's how to download the video. Here's all the videos, then the screenshots and the locked videos, but I don't have any locked videos. Okay, cool. So that's everything for the app. So now let's see the view, the resolution view for the front and the rear camera. Coming up right now. All right, and this is the day view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution. And as you can see, it looks amazing. It's super sharp. The resolution is pretty good. You can see everything clear and sharp. The license plates, the cars, you can see what car it is, the surroundings, everything is clear because this one is a 4K resolution. So that is great. So for the front camera, it's amazing. No complaints. And now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is a 4K resolution too, so it is amazing that it has a 4K resolution for the rear too. So everything, it looks clear too. You can see the cars, everything. My rear window is tinted, so that's why it looks a little bit more like a brownish color. It's because of my tint, not because of the camera. But everything is clear and good. I can see everything. The cars resolution is pretty good. So for the rear camera and in a 4K resolution, that is great. And now this is the night view for the front camera in a 4K resolution. So for the night view, it looks super good with the night vision. This one has a night vision and it's an improved night vision. As you can see the cars, you can see license plate. It looks like it's during the day, even that this is at night. So it is great. It has a great night vision, this one. For the front camera, is great at night. I approve it. Okay, this is the night view for the rear camera, and the rear camera is a 4K resolution too. As you can see, everything looks good. You can see the cars, you can see everything. The rear camera has also night vision that improves the vision at night. As you can see here, you can see everything, the sides, the buildings, the cars, you can see it good. My car has a tint on the rear, so that affects a little bit with the brightness on the rear camera. But as you can see, the basic, the most important thing are the cars, and the area, you can see it pretty good. Alright, so that's my take on the Red Tiger F77 dashcam. Honestly, for the price, I think it's a solid pick. The video quality is super clear, especially during the day and even at night. It does a pretty decent job. The app works fine, the install was pretty straightforward, and I like that it has a built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. If you're looking for a dashcam that gets the job done without a bunch of complicated features that you'll never use, this one is definitely worth checking out. I've been using it for a while and now I haven't had any issues, so yeah, I recommend it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have already one of this one, let me know your experience too. Put it in the comments. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.